Great, I'm going to just switch off my heights and my points as we've got those now, and I want to set up a road. So I'll go to roads mode, file, select road file. We'll then add a road. I'll call this the main road. Make sure that it's generated as strings. I'm just going to use a simple template because it's more about the top of the roadway that I'm interested in this exercise. I'm not going to be looking at curbs in this exercise, so that's fine. And we're going to extract from surface 1 when need be. We can then have that highlighted like it is here and press OK. You'll see main road is now active. We can now go and extract strings. So I'm going to go to alignment, regression, and extract strings. We're going to extract the stake line, the vertical. We're going to do the left edge and the right edge. So this is going to take the data from the CAD information and store it directly in the strings. Normally, as in the case of this one, of this road number here, the minor road, the information is a string road, but it is being modeled off the tabular. So your alignment, horizontal edit, vertical edit, and your edge controls is where the information is stored, and it is displaying that information in the strings. With this one, the information is stored directly in the strings itself. So that comes in very important later on when we do road widening. Okay, so we've got this information here that we want to extract. So we press OK. We can click on the start point. Remember to always click inside of these outer edges. And we click on the end point. Then once the stake line, I'll again select this center line and I will right click extract. It wants to override the current, so we say yes. And you can choose your intervals that you want to. I always find 5 meters is good enough for a survey, especially when it is 20 meters apart. 5 is okay. Okay, now it would like for the center line, we want to get our heights. We're going to get the heights from the entities, or you can choose to get the heights from the surface itself. I haven't used the fixed height yet. Most of the roads are not flat, but this will extract now from the CAD entity itself. You'll then want the L pivot, which is your vertical. So again, we then select that pivot to get the heights from that. And we can right click and extract. It'll then want your left edge, and we're going to get the heights from the entities itself again for the left hand side. So that's this one here. Right click extract, and the right hand side. It's now created these entities, and it's created the road model. And if you move any of these polylines, the road will update. So these polylines are now dynamically linked to the road model. There you can see it has created the road. I just want to change the height of the text. So let's change it to 1.5 for the main road. It's a decent size. Great. We can now look at the cross section. So we go section, graphical, edit. Let's just change back to freehand mode, and we can click over here somewhere. And here you can see it has modeled. Let's just use number lock and page up and down. You can then page up and down and check that you have modeled it to match the existing both the crossfalls and the vertical and the horizontal widths and edges are matching the existing road. Great.